everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a WEG charging station and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you are trying to get it to work and it's not charging, and it's not accepting the cards that people have, or it's not connecting to things, anything like that can often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second thing is if you're setting this up in a new location, or just for whatever reason you want to delete all the commissioning settings, all the local list of cards, all that kind of stuff, we can go ahead and do that. What you need to do is with one of these, you need the front door to be open and there needs to be power to the station. And you'll find the SW2-reset button in the central part of the electronic board. And so what you want to do is you want to keep it pressed for 5 seconds to delete all the commissioning settings and local list of cards, which is the users and the master. And after this happens, the station will beep 2 times, and then you can release the button, at which point the station will restart, and then you can set it up again and record all of the cards and everything like that.